I, like you, see a lot of makeup tutorials claiming some new foundation shade on the market solves all their makeup woes. But I have a few things to say about this. Number one, so many of these tutorials are done in artificial lighting, which can make pretty much any makeup look really good on camera, especially if they're using a setting powder or a powder foundation, because any powder when used with artificial lighting is going to detract the light away from the face, which is going to make it appear smoother on camera. In person, that's not always the case. Number two, as we age, our skin changes, and oftentimes one foundation shade all over the face is just simply not going to give us an even layer of coverage. I teach my customers over 30 to use a targeted approach and use a few different colors in one layer to give a nice even finish. I don't know about you, but I don't just want my makeup to look good in photos and videos. I want it to look dang good in person. So here I am doing my makeup in natural light, and here's the real test, what it looks like in direct sunlight. Want a customized routine that looks good in photos and person? Comment match below.